In this video, I am going to talk about how to create the activities. In the previous video, we learned about how to create the WBS work breakdown structure. So our first WBS is project milestone. Under this, we will create the activity name project start and another will be project finish, and we can create another activity, another milestone like completion of construction and is completion of snag list. Now we will assign the milestone like start milestone and finish milestone. First we have the start milestone, so we will put we will assign it as a start milestone. From here you can see the date is already changed to start. It will show here the start date only, and project start date will be shown on the project start milestone. Project finish, we will make activity type finish milestone. Snag list will make also finish milestone. Completion of construction also we will make finish milestone. In the mobilization we will put mobilization of manpower. Mobilization of office. We can add more according the project condition. In the shop drawing we will add shop drawing layout submittal. Another we can add details drawing submittal for civil work. Another we can add shop drawing submittal for finishing work. Here we can add one more WBS like shop drawing submittal. And shop drawing approval. Sorry, shop drawing approval. Now we will shift these three activities into the submittal from here, and this we will copy and we will put it into the approval, and I will change the title shop drawing approval. So guys, I created the all activities, shop drawing approval and procurement. In the shop drawing approval I add some activities. In procurement I add submittal for batch plant approval, submittal for block work, submittal for steel bar and material approval. I put approval for batch plant, approval for block work, approval for steel rebar, and purchase order I put PO for block, PO for steel bar, material delivery for block, steel delivery. After that, construction work. I created first activity, surveying and layout marking, excavation, leveling and compaction, lean concrete, steel binding for footing, installation of shuttering for footing, concrete pouring, removal of shuttering, steel binding for column, installation of shuttering and pouring concrete for column, backfilling and grade beam. In the grade beam also we have steel binding, installation of shuttering and concrete pouring. I put here one activity as a grade beam. You can further divide it into the more activities. Superstructure work, I add steel binding for column, installation of shuttering for column, pouring concrete for column, removal shuttering from column, scaffolding for slab, steel binding for slab and beam, pouring concrete for slab and beam, scaffolding removal. After that we have finishing work like block work, plaster work, paint work, slab on grade, skirting and doors and windows. Then we have snag list and demobilization and handover. In the next video we will talk about how to link these activities to fix the project finish and start date,